This weather's awful! Oh, come on! Are you kidding me? Home at last! I can finally change out of these cold, wet clothes. I know what to do. I'll go for a nice soak in the tub. This'll warm me up. I'll need some hot water. Come on, hurry up. Hang on. What's this? It's a message. Huh? No water? Could this day get any worse? Now what am I gonna do? Ashley? What's going on? I better check on her. Is everything okay? Mom! Don't look at me! Look at your clothes! What happened? It was raining, and there was a puddle, and a car splashed me! Oh, my poor little girl. We need to clean you up. Thanks, Mom. You always know how to make things better. Here you go. Remember to wash your face. Ah, that feels so good.
Hey! Catch the ball! Here it comes! Got it!
Aw, she's so adorable.
Let's play a different game! You need to catch me!
Yes, I want— What the?
Ow! I fell down, Mommy! I hurt my elbow.
I'm coming, sweetie. Let me see your ouchie. I don't have any band-aids, so this leaf will have to do. Are you okay, honey? Let me see it. Money makes everything better. Really? You know that looks silly. Is that a leaf? Oh no, the window. It's so cold in here. Close it before they catch a sniffle. Achoo! Are you okay? You've got a temperature. I need a doctor. Did someone call? Oh, you're here. You need to do something.
Hey, is that one of those stethoscope things? I've always wanted to do this.
Ow! My ears! Don't do that, sweetie. Sorry. She's definitely ill. She'll need to take this medicine. No, that's not going to happen. We're rich, remember? That is a lot of cash. Let me think. Try this. It'll make things easier. That's more like it. Doctor? Over here? What is it now? Let me guess. Another sick kid? I think I've got some more medicine. Here you go. Thank you so much! It's time to take your medicine. It'll be nice and tasty, and it'll help you feel better. That's the right amount. I wish I had a syringe. You'll have to drink it, honey. What am I gonna do? Open wide. Good girl.
Yummy! Thanks, Mommy.
I think it's working already. Whoa, that looked easy. Hang on. That gives me an idea. I'll need this lollipop mold. I'll pour the medicine into the mold. I'll fill them all. Okay, now for the next part. I need some wooden sticks. I'll place this into the medicine. I'll do the same with the other ones. Then I need to wait until they're set. They're ready. I can take them out of the mold. They look good. Look what I've got. Here you go, sweetie. You love lollipops.
Gimme!
It's tasty, huh? You need to eat all of it. Sorry we're late. Mandy is here for her checkup, but I'm warning you, her breath stinks. It's okay. Take a seat.
Ugh. Do I have to?
Oh, I need to take this. Hello?
This lollipop is so good.
Hand it over.
Get your own!
Okay. Hey, what's that? Got it! Can't believe that worked.
Oh, you tricked me!
Whoa, your teeth are disgusting. Do you ever floss? This is gonna take a while.
I thought you'd say that. Ooh, that looks fun.
Don't do that.
Aw, come on. It was funny.
Mandy, behave. Sorry about that. Hey, if you're paying, it's fine. Put the teeth down.
Hey, what's this thing?
Seriously?
Look at me. I'm the dentist now.
Here's a little something for your trouble. When you put it like that, don't move. That's kind of annoying. Please don't do that.
Shh. I'm trying to concentrate.
I think we're done.
Did you hear that, Mom? My teeth are sparkling.
Let me have a look. You look beautiful, darling.
Can we go now?
Of course. Is this enough? Wait. You know, take it all. Come on, Ashley. Don't be shy. Oh, you must be my next victim. I mean, patient. Take a seat. Mom? I have a bad feeling about this. Show the dentist your teeth. Do I have to? I'm scared, Mom. Wow, that is bad. They'll have to come out. I can't look.
How do you think I feel?
I think we're done. That's some of my best work.
How does it look?
What a smile. I suppose I better pay you. Here you go. It was worth every cent. Ashley! No more candy! Let's go home! Thanks! Tell your friends about me. Is this real money?
I'm glad that's over.
Remember, no more junk food.
I wouldn't dream of it.
You can count on me, Mom. I know I can. We can finally relax.
This is my chance. Just take it nice and easy. Mom will never know. I'm looking forward to this. Delicious, sweet, sweet candy. I want more.
What are you doing? Is that candy? Give it to me.
So unfair.
Think about your teeth.
That's it. I'm going to my room.
Are you serious? She never learns. If there's no candy, she can't eat it. I'm doing her a favor. It's a sacrifice I'm willing to make. It's pretty good. Like, seriously good.
It was just a piece of candy.
I should get more of these. For myself, obviously. I want more.
Wait, what's that sound? No! I don't believe it! What's going on in here?
It's not what it looks like.
You're eating my candy! How could you betray me like this?
And now I feel bad. Maybe this candy will cheer me up. Wait. I have an idea. I'll place this sticky hook on the doorframe, and one on the other. I want to create a pulley system. Next I need some string. I'll tape the string to the candy packet. Everything is ready. I can enjoy the candy now. When Ashley comes into the room, the candy is hidden. Hi, sweetie.
You're not eating candy, are you? I'll be watching.
That's nice, dear. Phew, that was close. I am so smart.
This is bad. So bad. I can't believe I got an F. Mom is gonna be so mad.
Are you kidding me?
I tried my best!
You've brought shame on the family.
Yikes. I can't let that happen. But what can I do? Hang on. I got it. I think I'm ready. Mom's coming.
Mandy? What are you doing?
You must be tired after all that shopping. Let me help you relax.
Okay. You ran me a bath?
Of course!
I feel so pampered.
How about a nice, refreshing drink?
You're spoiling me. It looks good. Wow. You need to give me the recipe.
Here, have a face mask.
This feels amazing.
Now I'll shower you with golden flakes. I know they're your favorite.
Wow. I have the best daughter.
Just remember that. So, I got my grade earlier. I didn't do as well as I thought.
Is that an F? What?
So, how about some more gold? That always makes you happy.
Oh. Stop it, Mandy.
I was afraid this might happen. There's only one thing for it.
What are you doing? Oh.
Let's get rid of that tension.
You know, that feels good. I could get used to this.
Come on in. Make yourself comfortable. I'll get you a drink. Is water okay? I don't have any soda. I suppose so. Here you go. That's nice. Try it.
Okay.
I enjoy that.
Sorry. My stomach's rumbling. I think I need something to eat. Do you have anything?
Hold on. Let me think.
It's okay. Don't worry about it. I have this.
Ooh, what is it?
It's a candy machine. And now I can have candy.
Whoa! That is great!
Are you girls having fun?
Huh? It's empty. Aw, I was enjoying that.
I'm still hungry.
It's okay. I know what to do. I'll check the fridge. We've got nothing. Sorry, I checked everywhere.
I should do something. Don't worry. I'll fix this. Hang on. I have an idea. I'll be right back. I'll cook some pasta. Then add red food coloring. Now I'll use a fork to mix it. I want to coat all the spaghetti. It shouldn't take long. Look what I've got, girls. It's Kissy Missy!
Did you make this, Mom?
Wow! You'll need these. I hope you like it.
It looks amazing! My mouth is watering!
We know being a parent is tough, so that's why we've come up with these handy hacks to make life easier. What fun things do your parents do? Let us know in the comments below. Remember to share this video with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful videos just like this one.